Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Again, continuing doing lesson 19 problem set 3.5. Previously, we have explained the number lines, right? And then the comparison, but with the same unit fraction. We did 1/4 and we did 1/2, and I'm sure you understand how to do that with the other fractions like 1/8, for example, right? I'm sure you know how to do 1/8. This is what they do for 1/8. This says they gave you, let me get my black pen. Okay, they gave you black pen 3. You see, so they give you like this 0, and then 1, 2, 3. Very good. And then this says for that one, very nice. This said they give you big numbers. They give you like 24 eighth, and then they gave you 19 eighth, and then they gave you 16 eighth. Very good. Even if this is easy for you now, follow with me because it's gonna get harder and confusing later, okay? Because the stronger you are in the basic, the stronger you will get in the complicated stuff later, okay? So very good. We have eighth. So our unit here is eighth. Let me get my green pen so that we can divide each. And then because 1/8 is a even number, so we're gonna use the same strategy. We cut the first unit into half, and then another, each half into halves, and then another halves, each one. That's gonna make them even. Let's make sure that we have these correct. So if I say 0 and then I put 1, okay, let's see. Very good. This is like 1. Okay, let me put it here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then for this one is eighth. Very good. And each one is gonna have a fraction, right? And then this is 1/8 because I am using eighth. 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8, 5/8, 6/8, 7/8, and then 8/8 is equal what? 1, which is this one. Very good. So same thing is gonna happen for the next units, right? So I can divide it into like, okay, I can divide into half and then another half, and then each one into halves. Same thing here. This is like the middle section, each one into halves, and then halves. Very good. So we're gonna continue counting. We stopped at 8. Then this is what's gonna be what? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and then what? 16. And then what's this one? It's gonna be 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 22, 23, and then 24. Very good. And then we're gonna do the same thing. All of these are over 8, right? 8, 8, 8, 14 over 8, 8, and then 16 eighth. 16 eighth is equal what? 16 eighth is 2. Very good. And then same thing here. all the way here until 24/8 is equal 3, because this 16 divided by 8 equals 3. Or to double check that, 3 times 8 equal 24. Same thing. Very good, very good. Now my problem becomes super easy. I can just go ahead and locate. Start with the small one. What is the small one? 16/8. What is 16/8? It's here, right? 16/8 is exactly 2. So 16/8 is at 2. And then 19/8 is here. 19/8 is here. And then 24/8 is exactly at 3. Very good, very good. So then I can say that 16/8 is less than 19/8 and the 19/8 is less than 24/8. Very good. So all of these now, it's easy because we are just using the same unit fraction, right? But then in the next problem, they gave us different ones to compare, and I'm gonna pick one that has different unit fraction. So 9, okay, 9/4. You have to compare it. Is it greater, less, or equal than 19/8? Very good. So now it's a little bit confusing because I cannot just say 9 is less than 19, so 9 is smaller and I put this is smaller than this, or this is smaller than this, because 9, I don't know, I'm not sure. So the way to do it, I have to line them up in the same line, meaning if I do a line, same, the line that I always use, I start from 0 and then I do 1 and then I do 2, maybe I do 3, but let's see if I need 3 or I don't need 3. So and then I do, this is 1, 2, 3. Okay, very good. So if I divide, I'm gonna do 4th with one color and then 8th with another color so that you can do them. Very good. So the way you can do this is just to do 4th on one line and then 8th in the same line, hopefully with different colors so that you don't confuse yourself, and then you should be able to figure out the right answer with certainty, like you're certain, you're confident that you are getting the right answer. Okay, very good. So let's divide the first whole unit into half sections. Very good. So, and then because I need 4 units here, I'm gonna divide it into another halves. So now I have equally spaced 4 units. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. I'm gonna do the same thing here. Very good. Very good. So, and then I'm gonna count. I'm gonna keep the green color for the 4th. So this is like 0, 1, 2, 3, and then 4 here. 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. Oh, but I need 9/4. Very good. So this is 1, 4, 0/4, 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 4/4 is 1. This is how you check, you make sure that you are doing it right, because 4/4 is 1, 5/4, 6/4, 7/4, 8/4 is basically 2. Oh, but I need 9/4. So then I'm gonna have to do 2 do the next unit as well. So I'm gonna divide the next unit into halves, and then each half into another halves. And then now I can say this is 8, and this is 9, 10, 11, and then 12. 12 fourth is basically 3, right? And then 9 fourth is here. So I got 9 fourth. Very good. So now I have my 9 fourth is here. But I don't know where is my 19 eighth. It could be bigger, it could be less, small. I'm not sure. I'm gonna double check right now. So on the same line, use a different color. Very good. Use a different color. I'm sure you have different colors. Because 1/8 is half, less than 1/4, of course, and it's half, exactly half of 1/4. Meaning if I divide this 1/4 here into half, I'm gonna get what? I'm gonna get 0 here, and then here 1/8, 0/8. And then this is gonna be what? 2/8. And then this one here, if 3/8. And then this is 4/8. 4/8 is exactly 2/4. Same thing. So they meet in the same point. And then if I'm gonna divide now. I can just go ahead and divide each 1/4, each fraction into halves. Then it's gonna be exactly 1/8. Very good. So now going back to my 1/8 units. 4/8. This is gonna be 5, 6, 7, and then this is gonna be 8. 8/8. 8/8 equal 1. Very good. Now I am correct because 8/8 is here, and then I go here, I put 9, 10, 11, 12. 12/8 is the same as 6/4. They meet here, and then I go here, 13, 14, 15, and then this one here is 16/8. Very good. And then I go here is 16, and then go here 17, 18, 19. I got to my number. So this is 19/8. This is 19/8 at this point here. Now I already find out where is 9/4. What is 9/4? Can you remind me? 9/4 is here. Let me highlight it with the green color. So 9/4 was here actually. 9/4 was here. I already did it here. Very good. So it's here. And then 19/8, they're very close, but one is bigger than another. See, that's why it's even confusing for adults to know that. Even adults, it's gonna take them some thinking to really figure out which one is bigger. Is it 9/4 or 19/8? Because the only difference is for example, if you're traveling from, let's say from here, let me use a different color so that doesn't become very confusing. Let's say you're traveling from here. This is your starting point. And then you're going all the way to, you're walking like this, right? You're like walking like this. And then you go you're going all the way here. And then which point you're gonna reach first? Oh, you're gonna reach 9/4 first, which is here. And then to go from 9/4 to 19/4, it's only another distance, which is 1/8. You just need 1/8. So only the difference between 9/4 and 19/8 is just 1/4. So very close. very close, but 19/8 is greater. 19/8 is greater. So I hope this is helpful. You can use the same strategy to compare any fractions. The only thing you need to do is to line them up on the same line. Sometimes they can be equal. They can be the same, sometimes small, less than or greater than. If you have any comments, feel free to comment on the lecture, the tutorial, and then I'm willing to respond and improve in the next tutorials. And I'll hope to see you again. And assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Bye bye.